Okay, we'll be making this little green mound juniper into a little bonsai. I like to clip away at the bottom some of the small stems. You can clear away at the top portion. I like to expose the roots at the bottom so you can clear away some of the dirt. Clip away some of the stems that are low hanging. As you can see, I'm clipping away. I've been doing this for a long time. I go a little quicker than what you should. When you first start, you should take your time. Again, I like to take away some of the small roots at the very top of the plant. This will expose some of the other roots at the bottom. As you know, bonsais, they like to be they look much better with some of the root system showing. Again, I like to cut back the stems back at the very bottom and towards the center of the plant. You want to expose the main root system at the bottom, and some of the upper limbs need to show. That's basically what I'm doing. Make sure you use some good, small, sharp clippers. They don't have to be bonsai clippers, but bonsai clippers work best. As you can see, you can see the main trunk and some of the lower hanging stems. It's important to continue removing some of the soil, some of the smaller roots from the top of the plant. Clip off the bulging stems, the ones you previously cut. Now we're ready to insert it in the bonsai pot. I basically measure where I'm going to cut. I use a little handsaw. Cut straight all the way through. Don't be afraid to cut the roots. Place it in the bonsai pot. Add some bonsai soil. Place some soil at the bottom. Make sure your pot has holes for drainage. If your container does not drain, you could experience root rot. Add the soil all around the plant in the pot. Press down firmly. Okay, we'll do a little more trimming here and there. It's basically, this is the way it's going to look like. There's a few more steps we need to take. But again, turn it on its side so you can kind of see what the bonsai will look like. You might want to do a little bit more trimming here and there. You can clip off the top like I'm doing right here. You'll have to remember, if you clip a juniper at the top, that little part will turn a brownish color. Nothing to worry about, as the juniper will regrow new foliage. So don't be afraid to cut the top. Yeah, I like to get right in there, get some of the smaller foliage off the stems. You can do this with a small pruners like the ones I have. That's basically it there. Now we're going to add some decorative rock to the base of the plant. You can get this type of rock almost any place. Most gardening stores will carry this type of rock. I like to use the shiny rock. It makes the bonsai look a lot nicer. So just place it around the bonsai. Press down firmly. Basically, that's it. You can see the root system. You can see the main trunk and some of the stems. A nice looking little bonsai.